To see the world, things dangerous to come to see behind walls, draw closer, to find each other and to feel. That is the purpose of life. This isn't just a magazine motto, it's a challenge to you. It's so easy to stay in the safe zone, to scroll, to plan, to wish, but the real beauty of life? It begins when you step outside the ordinary. Walter Mitty was invisible to the world, but the moment he chose to chase something real, something scary, he came alive. And maybe that's where you are too, stuck in the almost, craving more but unsure how to begin. The truth? It doesn't take a grand journey across the globe. Sometimes bravery looks like speaking up, trying again, opening your heart, taking one bold step forward. The world is waiting for you, behind the fears, beyond the walls you've built. That's where life really begins. So go live. Feel. This is your story now.